Habakani windmill kadang terikam. Te boleh manding pat siang mani.
Kan tibi na meh mga. Mia ke meh wasna.
Be, kabiang ta.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Hatu pindon am kathong manlong kita kinong siat hagi hotel dan hagi restoran ibapau. Hamokam hilapan pun orlong yang kathong kejongpi. Ke emission kelap play bani ai ki course ki bapel kadon ke degree course ke diploma baga advanced diploma course.
Wah, pilih ha.
Mandi. Kentang hak baru kentang no.
Ki Pulit ke pasture beat house hak arpo artrik ujumang azak pun rio kilapan upstrip iki Nongñiah kali bad iki Nongñiah Thuk arshaka ki baya bet klam salia wat hadien barabu ya ka jingtho no entry lingba ka surok na London hajan ka CRP Camp Lawmali ka bakio sha forest colony ka ba poi shakhmat ka khrdop jong ka CRP Camp Hapulo kani ka jingpan upstrip jiki pulen ka long namar ka jingbam Kheiñ Snep ya ka jingbana na ka por shakapor ya ki bapen Kheiñ an ki Pulit kila a jingpen shitam da ka badan Kuna.
Yang tu. Jangan. Sap dia.
Always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEM's bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEM's app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEM's, our ride, our future.